Said hola como esta. She said konnichiwa. She said pardon my French. I said bonjour my da. Then she said sabase. And I said nabule. No matter where I go, you know I love them all.